Come test drive the 2014 Ford Mustang. The Mustang is race-worthy and ready for the track. This vehicle has less than 135,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, 8 speakers, CD player, power windows, compass, rear window defroster, trip computer, electronic stability control, tachometer, brake assist, remote keyless entry, panic alarm, front bucket seats, driver vanity mirror, front reading lamps. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.